G'day gang, and welcome back to Lunch for Louie. Now this week my wife made the kids avocado chocolate mousse, and I'll leave a link in the description to the original recipe, but with a couple of small changes. The kids got none. It's adult chocolate mousse and it's super dope. Let's get into it. So into a blender or food processor goes 2 medium avocados, pipped and peeled, half a cup of whole milk Greek yogurt, and half a cup of heavy cream. The original recipe calls for a whole cup of Greek yogurt, and go for that if you like. I found it a bit tangy, and the fat from the cream really rounds off the edge of the flavours. Then 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and this is where you can really elevate this into an adult dish. Get a nice high quality cocoa powder. After that we'll go in with 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, followed by 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Blend or process on high, scraping down the sides of the bowl because you're going to get little bits of avocado stuck on there and you don't really want that. You don't want to see the green when you're eating your chocolate mousse. And that's it. It's done. Serve with some cocoa powder on top and a couple of strawberries, or if you don't want your kids getting their hands on it, serve it back in the avocado. You can make it look like you've just cut it open and go, oh jackpot, I got a brown one. And then you just spoon it out. You guys say, hey, you guys want some rotten fruit? And they'll be like, no, Dad, you eat it. Now that's good parenting.